Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Guys, please bear with me. My voice today is so bad just because of the weather. Today I want to show you what I use to condition my hair, and the first ingredient I'm going to be using is avocado. Avocado helps to protect and strengthen your hair and promote hair growth. And the second ingredient I'm going to be using in this recipe is egg. Egg is made of protein and it supports hair growth, restrict hair loss, enhance hair elasticity, add shine and improve texture. And then the next ingredient I'm going to be using in this video is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is also good to strengthen your hair, and it also helps to thicken your hair follicles. If your hair is not thick or your hair is too light, I would recommend you use all these ingredients at least 2 times a week, 2 times a month to strengthen your hair. And the next ingredient I'm going to be using is natural yogurt. Natural yogurt is very good for hair growth, and it also helps to cleanse your scalp. It clears away dead skin cells and also help the hair follicles to grow. And the next ingredient in this recipe is honey. Honey also is a very good source of hair growth, and it's also good for moisture and shine, extra moisture and shine. I'm just going to combine all these ingredients into my blender and blend all of them together. And before I forget, I still have to add olive oil. Olive oil is also very good if you use it to massage it in your hair or your scalp. It helps to improve blood flow, and it also helps your hair to shine. I use olive oil basically every day in my hair. Coconut oil, so what I use is olive oil. It is very good for your hair. It also prevents dandruff, which is the main cause of hair fall. So I would recommend you use these ingredients in your hair 2 times a month to deep condition your hair, and you will see how strengthened, how shine and how clean your hair will look. For those of you who have dandruff, if you use this, you will not complain, you will not regret it. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'll just blend all my ingredients together, and then after they are well blended, I'll just sieve it. And as you can see, it is well blended. Because of the avocado, it has some small tiny ropes inside, so I have to sieve it very well so that it doesn't get stick into my hair. So you can see I've just finished sieving my deep conditioner. And guys, I'm going to be showing you in the next video how I apply this deep conditioner into my hair, so please stay tuned and make sure you watch my next video. Thank you all so much. Bye.